Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Dave, what do you usually do in your free time?
It depends on the day. If I'm tired, I usually stay home. I watch something or listen to music.
That sounds nice. What do you do when you have more energy?
Then I like going out. I might meet a friend. Sometimes we get coffee and just talk.
Do you usually make plans?
Not always. Sometimes I just decide at the last minute.
Really? I thought you liked making plans.
I do, but sometimes I like having no plan at all.
I know what you mean. There's something nice about a free day. You wake up and think, okay, what do I feel like doing?
Exactly. I don't have to check the time. I don't have to hurry. I can just take my time.
That's one of my favorite things, too. I really enjoy slow mornings.
What do you usually do?
I make coffee, then I might listen to music. Sometimes I read for a while.
Do you read often?
Not as much as I'd like. Sometimes I start a book and then I get distracted by my phone.
I know that problem. I pick up my phone for 1 minute, then suddenly 30 minutes are gone.
Exactly. And I don't even remember what I was looking at.
Same here. My phone is very good at stealing time.
That's a good way to describe it. So what do you do when you want to stay away from your phone?
I go outside. Sometimes I take a walk. Sometimes I go to a cafe.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes. I don't mind going alone. I can sit there, drink coffee, and just relax.
I like that too. But I also enjoy spending free time with friends.
What do you usually do together?
We might have lunch, we go shopping sometimes, or we just walk around and talk about random things.
Random things?
Yeah, you know how friends talk. 1 minute we're talking about food, then somehow we're talking about movies.
That happens with my friends too. We start with one topic and end up somewhere completely different.
That's what makes it fun.
Exactly.
What about hobbies? Do you have a hobby you really enjoy?
Yeah, I like taking photos.
Oh, really? What do you like taking pictures of?
Mostly food and places I visit.
Food again?
What? Food looks good in pictures.
Okay, fair enough. Do you take pictures when you go somewhere new?
Yes, I like keeping little memories.
I like that. I usually take pictures too, especially when I'm with friends.
Do you ever look at old photos?
Sometimes. It's funny, you see an old photo and suddenly you remember exactly what happened that day.
That's true. Photos can bring back good memories.
Exactly. So, besides taking pictures, what else do you enjoy doing when you have free time?
I think there's one thing I do more than anything else.
You said there's one thing you do more than anything else. What is it?
I watch movies. I really enjoy watching movies when I have free time.
What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedy. Sometimes action movies too.
Comedy. I can see that. You like laughing.
Of course. A funny movie can make a boring day much better.
That's true. Do you usually watch movies alone?
Sometimes, but I prefer watching with friends.
Why?
It's more fun. We can laugh together, and sometimes we talk about the movie.
Do you ever talk during the movie?
A little.
A little?
Okay, maybe a lot.
I knew it. Some people really hate that.
I know. That's why I don't talk too much when I'm watching with other people.
Good. You don't want to lose your movie friends.
Exactly.
What about music? Do you listen to music in your free time?
Yes, almost every day.
When do you usually listen?
When I'm driving, when I'm walking, sometimes when I'm cooking.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop music mostly. Sometimes slow music when I want to relax.
I like that too. Music can change your mood quickly.
Exactly. If I'm tired, I listen to something quiet. If I'm happy, I want something more energetic.
That makes sense. Do you ever listen to music while you're doing housework?
Yes, it makes cleaning less boring.
That's smart.
I actually enjoy cleaning when I have good music.
Really?
Well, enjoy might be too strong.
I knew it.
I just dislike it less.
That's more honest.
What about you? What do you like doing when you have free time?
I like going for walks. especially in the evening.
Do you walk alone?
Usually, but sometimes I go with a friend.
What do you do while walking?
Sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I listen to a podcast, and sometimes I just look around.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I spend a lot of time indoors, so I like getting some fresh air.
I know what you mean. Sometimes I feel better just by going outside.
Exactly. You don't need to do anything special. Just walk for a little while.
That's true.
Do you like exercise in your free time?
Yes, I go to the gym sometimes.
But you're not always motivated? What do you do when you don't feel like going?
I tell myself, just go for 20 minutes.
Does that work?
Usually, once I get there, I feel better.
That's a good trick.
Yeah, the hardest part is leaving home.
I know exactly what you mean.
My couch is very convincing.
Your couch again.
It really likes me.
I think your couch is your best friend.
Maybe, but my gym is trying to break us up.
That's actually funny.
I'm still deciding.
Well, at least you're trying.
That's what matters.
Absolutely. So, movies, music, photos, walking, and the gym, you have quite a few things you like doing.
Yeah, I just like having choices.
Me too. But there's something else I really enjoy doing in my free time.
What's that?
There's something else I really enjoy doing.
What is it?
I like cooking when I have enough time.
Really? I didn't know you liked cooking.
I do, especially on weekends. I can take my time and try something new.
What do you usually cook?
Usually something simple, maybe pasta or grilled chicken and vegetables.
That sounds good. Do you follow a recipe?
Sometimes, but sometimes I just use whatever I have.
Does that work?
Most of the time. Sometimes it tastes great. Sometimes not so great.
What happens then?
I order food.
That's a good backup plan.
It really is.
Do you like trying new hobbies?
Yes, but I don't always keep them.
What do you mean?
I get excited about something, I try it for a few weeks, then I find something else.
I know someone like that.
Who?
Me.
Of course.
A few months ago, I wanted to learn guitar.
Really? How's that going?
Let's not talk about that.
Oh no.
I learned 3 chords.
Only 3?
3 good chords.
That's something.
Thank you. I'm still a beginner.
Maybe you'll pick it up again someday.
Maybe. I still have the guitar. It's looking at me.
You mean it's sitting in the corner?
Yes, but it looks disappointed.
Do you like spending free time with other people?
Yes, but I also need time alone.
I feel the same way. I like seeing friends, but I can't do it every day.
Exactly. Sometimes you just want a quiet evening at home.
Maybe some music, maybe a movie, maybe just a cup of coffee.
That sounds perfect.
What do you think makes good free time?
I think it's time when you don't feel rushed.
I like that.
You can do something you enjoy, you can spend time with people, or you can do nothing.
Doing nothing can be nice.
Very nice, especially after a busy week.
Exactly. Free time doesn't have to be exciting. It just has to make you feel good.
That's true. You know what I want to try in my free time?
What?
Something outside. Maybe hiking.
Hiking?
Yeah, I've been sitting too much lately.
I think you'd enjoy it.
Would you go with me?
Maybe, but I have one question.
What?
How early do we have to wake up? How early do we have to wake up?
Maybe 7.
7? That's pretty early.
It's not that early.
For you, it is.
Okay, maybe 8.
8 sounds better. I don't want to spend my free time feeling tired.
That's fair. We can take it easy.
What would we do?
We could go somewhere quiet, maybe find an easy trail.
That sounds nice. Then we could get coffee afterward.
Now you're making the plan better.
Coffee always helps.
Exactly.
I think that's what I like about free time. You can choose what you want to do.
Yeah.
You can spend time with friends, you can stay home, you can exercise, you can watch a movie.
Or try something new.
Exactly. You don't need a big plan. Even a simple afternoon can be fun.
I agree. Sometimes my favorite days are the quiet ones.
What do you do on those days?
I make coffee, I listen to music, maybe I cook something. Then I watch a movie.
That sounds perfect.
What about you?
I might sleep a little longer, then I'll go outside, maybe I'll see a friend, or maybe I'll stay home and play a game.
You really like having choices.
I do. I don't like feeling like I have to do something.
I understand. Free time should feel free.
Exactly.
Do you think people spend too much free time on their phones?
Probably. I think we both do sometimes.
That's true. Sometimes you plan to watch one short video, then you watch 10.
Exactly. And suddenly it's midnight.
That's why I sometimes put my phone in another room.
Does that work?
Usually. Then I actually enjoy my free time.
I should try that.
You should. Maybe your guitar would finally get some attention.
Oh no, my guitar is going to be angry with me.
So, Dave, what do you think you'll do this weekend?
Maybe I'll meet a friend. I'll probably watch a movie too. And maybe I'll finally go for that hike.
Maybe?
Okay, I'll go.
Good. And I'll come with you.
Really?
Sure. But we're starting at 8, not 7.
Deal.
And coffee afterward.
Definitely.
See? Now we have a plan.
And it's a good one.
I think so too. Free time is better when you spend it doing things you actually enjoy.
And sometimes it's even better with a friend.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.